In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the spring loading feature for your mouse pointer on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side, just scroll down underneath Motor and select the pointer control option. Versus spring loaded, either toggle that on or off depending on your preference. If you want to enable it, just click inside that oval one time to toggle to the right, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.